Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be showing you how to make this summer hat. But before that, kindly click subscribe and please click the notification bell below and kindly leave a comment and please give me a big thumbs up. So today I will be showing you how to crochet this cute summer hat. Alright, so but before that, I would like to say thank you. I'm so grateful to those people who supported my channel all the way through my journey. All right. So I do hope that you still support me. Okay. So I do hope that you will enjoy watching this tutorial. And okay, without further ado, let's do this crochet summer hat. Materials I used Familia brand of yarn, acrylic in medium, and this is 40 grams. Alright, and a 3mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. Okay, to start our summer hat is we have to make a magic ring. Alright, and then chain 2. Okay, and the magic ring we have to make 13 double crochets. Okay, yarn over once, insert your hook on the ring, and then pull through twice. So that is how you're going to make a double crochet. So in this project I used another color of yarns because I only have one book of brown yarn, so I decided to use another color of yarn. I also used acrylic Monaco yarn because it's only available in our house. Okay, so continue making 13 double crochet in the magic ring. Okay, so we have to pull the yarn tail, and then on the chain, the top or the third, on the second chain, we have to make a slip knot, and then chain 2. Okay, so on the very next stitch we have to make 1 double crochet, and then on the next stitch we need to make another 2 sets of 1 set of 2 double crochets. So in every stitch we have to make 2 double crochets. Alright, so in total of 26 stitches. Okay, at the 26th stitches, so we have to slip knot 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, and then all we have to do is we have to lock this, so we have to make a slip stitch on the very first stitch or loop, and then make 3 chains. Okay, on the very next loop we have to make 1 double crochet, and then on the next we have to make, on the same space we have to make 2 double crochets. Alright, so 2 double crochets. So this is one double crochets, two double crochets, and then one double crochet until you reach. Okay, I will meet you at the end. Alright, and then the same process, we have to slip stitch. Okay, so this will be the very base of our summer hat. So on the next round, we have to make another 3 chains. And then on the very next stitch, we have to make 1 double crochets, another 1 double crochet, and on the very on the very next loop, we have to make 2 double crochets, and then another 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then on the next 2 double crochet. So the process is we have to make 2 double crochets, 1 2, and then on the next stitch we have to make 2 double crochet. Okay, and then again to lock this we have to make a slip stitch. Alright, we have to make a slip stitch, and then in this round another chain 3, then on the very next loop we have to make 1 double crochet, on the next again 1 double crochet, another 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So we have 3 double crochets, and on the next stitch we have to make 2 double crochets. So the process is 3 3 double crochets in the first 3 chains, or the first 3 loops, and then and the next loop we have to make 2 double crochets, and then the process is we have to make this alternately. Okay, so 3 double crochet in the first 3 stitches, and then in the 4th stitch we have to make 2 double crochet in the same space. Okay, so the pattern is we have to make 3 on the first 3 chains, or the first 3 loops, and then 2 double crochets on the next loop on the same space. Alright, so just continue doing this process alternately. Okay, so okay, I will meet you at the end, and then we are now at the end, so we have to slip stitch again to lock our circle. So this will be for the cap, another 3 chains, okay. So in this process we will have to increase, so that is why in every round we have to increase loops. Okay, so double crochets, 1 double crochet, another 1 double crochet, another 1 double crochet. So we have to make 4 double crochet in the first 4 stitches. 4. Okay, and the next stitch we have to make 2 double crochets in the same space, 2 double crochets. Okay, so I hope you will be guided upon doing this project. Alright, so on the next 1 double crochet, Okay, continue. Make 1 double crochet in each space for the first 4 stitches. Alright, on the very next stitch we have to make 2 double crochet. Okay, so this is the increasing part. So now we have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have to increase. So this is how we increase. This is the increasing part. Okay. So now we are going to make a double crochet without increasing. So this is how it looks like. This is for the cup. And then I decided to add another color. Okay, so I decided to use the purple colored yarn. Alright, so that is how I add the color. So secure the yarn tail and then chain 3. 1 2 3. So on the very next stitch or the very next loop we have to make 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet, though that is how it looks like. 1 double crochet, and the next loop again 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet again, and the next loop. So okay, we will count again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9, and then on the this is the increasing part, 9 rounds. Okay, so this is the increasing round. So 9 rounds. So as you can see, it is increasing, and then on this round we only have to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So we have 8 rounds. Okay, then slip stitch. Another chain 3. Then on the next, so repeat the process. Repeat this color for 2 rounds. Okay, for 2 rounds. So this will be the head cap of our hat. So repeat the process until you reach the chain 3. Okay, so we are done with our 2 rounds of purple colored yarn. So as you can see, I'm not cutting the yarn. I just leave it just like that so that I can use it easily when I change the color. So chain 3 again. So in this process we have to make 1 double crochet again in each space, in each loop for the brown colored yarn. Okay, all throughout until you reach the very end. So now this is, in this round we have to make chain 3, and then we have to make increasing Okay, and the next 2 spaces we have to make 1 double crochet, and then on the 3rd space we have to make 2 double crochet on the same space. Okay, as you can see, on the next 1 double crochet, on the next 1 double crochet. So we have to do this alternately. So 1 double crochet on the first 2 spaces, and then on the 3rd space 2 double crochet on the same space. So we are going to do this until we reach the very end. Okay, so in this round, in the very chain, we on the space we make our chain, we have to make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Okay, so and then slip stitch on the very top of our chain, slip stitch. Again, repeat the process. So I change another color. 1, 2, chain 2, and 3, chain 1, 2, 3. I have some error. Okay, on the very next loop we have to make 1 double crochet. So in this round we have to make 1 double crochet in the first 3 stitches. On the brown round, so on the brown color, we made 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches, but in this round we have to make 1 double crochet in the first 3 stitches. So in the 4th stitch, okay, in the 4th stitch we have to make 2 double crochet on the same space. 1, 2, so this is a chain, 1, 2, 3. Then on the 4th stitch, 2 double crochet until you reach the very chain. So this is how it looks like. This is our summer hat, the very easy tutorial. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 10 rounds. And for the so 9 rounds for increasing, and then 10 rounds for double crochets, and another 5 rounds for increasing. Okay, so I hope you will be guided, and I'm so excited to see your finished product. You can send the picture of your finished product and this tutorial on my Facebook account. So please don't forget to subscribe. Kindly click the notification bell below so that you will be notified if ever I have another video uploaded. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and kindly leave a comment if ever. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed watching. God bless and thank you so much.